Hi, I'm Ostap and I represent Tykho Electronics. At Tykho, we develop high-performance drone electronics, from flight controllers to jamming systems. We needed a partner who could handle both complex embedded hardware and advanced software. And that's exactly what we found in Indeema. Indeema worked with us across the entire development stack. They helped design and test custom flight controllers and power boards. They also developed firmware, telemetry systems, and even handled full-stack integration for AI-based models like Tykho Zero. It felt like working with our own R&D team. They were quick to respond, detail-oriented, and always one step ahead. From testing hardware to firmware engineering, everything was done on time and done right. Together, we built a scalable ecosystem for drone electronics, everything from autonomous flight control to jamming technology. Thanks to Indeema engineering support, we have significantly accelerated our product roadmap. Most importantly, solutions like our FPV Kamikaze drone were successfully tested on the battlefield in Ukraine, proving not only the solidity of the technology but its real-world impact. Our journey with Indeema is far from over. Working with Indeema means having a partner that understands the complexity of the drone industry and delivers results.